Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to make honey garlic chicken skewers. These are so easy to make, perfect for any occasion, and they're very delicious. Let's get started. We're using boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe, and we're going to start by cutting up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Once the chicken is all cut up, transfer into a large mixing bowl. Add some fresh garlic and honey. Next, add some brown sugar, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, Dijon or stone ground mustard, then season with salt and black pepper. Add some olive oil, then mix everything together very well. Once mixed in, cover up the bowl, then place the chicken into the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours. Next, place a baking rack over a baking sheet. Then as soon as the chicken is done marinating, we're going to start threading them onto a skewer. You can thread about 5 to 6 chicken pieces onto the skewer, and if a piece of chicken is too long or too big, make sure you thread it twice through the skewer, that way it's not dangling off. Place it onto the baking sheet, then repeat the process until all the chicken is skewered. Make sure your oven has been heated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the chicken skewers for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take them out, turn them over, and let them bake for another 5 minutes. Here is the finished look. I broiled the chicken at the very last minute just to give the outside a nice golden brown crisp. These honey garlic chicken thigh skewers came out packed with flavor. The chicken is very tender, juicy, and delicious. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.